Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July 8th, 2024. We have here in this additional seven extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon, so it's too much, overloaded. All right, first one, 3 stars Sudoku number 8864. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 27 printed digits. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 27, 2 digits more. Should be a 1-star puzzle. A 1-star puzzle, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Is this a wrong indication? We don't know. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1-star puzzle? We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here and 8 in this column, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Shoot down. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, the only 3 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 in that column, no 2 there. The only place left, the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 2. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1. Need a 1 here. Cannot continue with 1. How about? Well. 9. How about? Well. 8. Yeah, I'm thinking. 9. 3, 5, 3. 1, 2. Well, 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in the second column. No 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be here. 4. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. All right. 5, 5. And now, let me see. 3, 3. Wow. 3, 3. No 3. Yeah. 5. Need a 5 there. Need an 8 here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only place left for 8 should be there. Need an 8 here, need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. Here. 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. Yeah. How about the 3 in this column, the 3 in the last column, so the column between. Only place level 3 is supposed to be there. 9, 7, and the 6. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Look, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7. 5 and the 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. Alright. 8, 5, 7. Yeah. Need a 1 here. Need a 6. Need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 7. How about need a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 7 and the 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3, the 7, 3, the 7. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 is a 7. 7, need a 7 there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left is 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Need a 5 here. Alright. Need a 9 there. And I need a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For almost 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left on the 9 should be there. Yeah, 9 there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left on the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 9. One box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left for the 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. One box left now in the middle column. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 5 in this row, third row. 5 in the second row, from the first row. The only place left for 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 6 and 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes at there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, we solved it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. No, should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, please wait the time. And I like this one without no notification. Yeah, without notification, I believe. Yeah, this one. Anyway, we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.